Hello there. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce this Vicseed magnetic phone holder for cars. And of course for SUVs and trucks too. And for your desktop, for example. With 20 strong magnets. It's a dashboard MagSafe car mount. No drop, genuine 3M adhesive included. All metal phone mount for a car dash fits directly on the iPhone 14, 13, 12 Pro and Max Plus and all other mobile phones out there because there are additional parts in it. You have the strongest adhesion and never drop. The Vicseed MagSafe car mount adopts the genuine authorized high quality 3M adhesive, which is super sticky and long lasting. So even in extreme environments from minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, this magnet car phone holder mount will not deform or drop. And the thicken 3M adhesive to 0.06 inches to ensure a seamless fit on various surfaces. Also gives two different 3M adhesives too. So the Vicseed magnetic car phone holder can 100% fit the center consoles of various cars. And powerful magnetic and safe driving at the same time. This magnetic phone holder for cars has a built-in 20 strong and 52 magnets. The magnet force is much stronger than common 12 magnet holder on the market. Even when our car is taking sharp turns or driving on the bumpiest roads, our phone will never drop from the phone mount and distract us. The car mount is annular closed magnetic field, not interfere with the signal to keep the navigation and the calling open. We use the Vicseed car holder to keep our safe on the go. And it's designed for MagSafe precisely. The most stylish iPhone car holder MagSafe in 2022 is specially designed for the iPhone family. 12, 13, 14, Pro and Max, Mini and. And of course, it's compatible with all official MagSafe cases and other magnet cases too, which can attach this phone directly without the hassle of sticking metal plates. The magnet car phone mount for the iPhone will automatically align and snaps to our phone. Just need us to make one placement motion with one hand to use. This saving our precious time. And always fits on any phone and case, because it comes with 3 metal rings in beautiful packaging. This phone mount for cars, SUVs and trucks is compatible with all phones or phone cases, including ring cases and small socket grips. We can share this cell phone holder car with our family and friends. We just stick one metal ring on the back of any phone or case, and anyone can easily place their phones on this holder in no time. And hollow design of the metal ring will not affect the wireless charging like other ordinary metal plates. And as the lightest magnetic car cell phone holder on the market, we can install it anywhere. It doesn't take up space in our car or obstruct the view. Easy adaptation into any car. The iPhone MagSafe car mount has 360 degrees omnidirectional adjustment ball joint, and we can twist the magnetic ring panel, set the oriental of our phone arbitrarily, ensuring that our phone is always at the angle we like. And it gives us the most intimate accompaniment. The whole body of this car magnetic phone mount is made of high-grade aluminum alloy, super durable, and it won't break easy like other plastic mounts. Exclusively designed fluorescent silicon on magnetic ring panel, so we can find the safety seat of our phone at a glance in the dark night. And it looks really cool, and it's really easy to attach. It's easy and it holds, but take care, if you attach it, then let it rest for 12 up to 24 hours, because the adhesive have to chill a little bit, and then it will hold there for a long time without dropping your phone. Yeah, it will hold on your desktop too. It will hold on your refrigerator too. It will hold on the car window glass too. So you can see, you can nearly everywhere install this Vicseed magnetic phone holder for our car, truck, SUV, desktop, and kitchen, and so on. It comes with 20 strongest magnets. It's a dashboard MagSafe car mount with genuine 3N adhesive on the bottom side. All metal phone mount for our car dash. It fits to the iPhone 14, 13, 12, and Pro and Max and Plus family without a metal plate. But for other cases and phones out there, there are metal plates included, so you can upgrade them to make it compatible with that magnetic phone holding system. This is the Vicseed holder magnetic car phone mount for your car, SUV, and trucks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.